Hello my unique queens, Kiana Unique here. Welcome back to my channel. Today's DIY is going to be using these placemats here that I got from IKEA. They're really thin straw placemats for $1.99. I also have a braided belt here. I got this from Rainbow. I don't know how much I paid for it because I've had it for a while. You're also going to need needle and thread. Sewing machine would be awesome. You're going to need a hot glue gun, some tape, and then something to measure if you don't want to eyeball some of the things like me, and some scissors, some clamps. First, you're going to fold one side of your placemat, not halfway down, just fold down towards the center circle, and you're going to press this down really firmly to hold it in place. That's where those clamps are going to come in handy. Once you have that done, you're going to sew straight across the top edge of that. I use my sewing machine. I suggest you guys get a sewing machine if you do not have one, so that way you can continue to do DIYs. Now, as you see, I folded one on top of the other, and I'm simply going to line them up and sew right across the bottom lining all the way around to attach my two pieces together. Now that they're both attached, we are going to figure out how we're going to use this belt to make straps. So this is where the tape comes in. I am going to wrap the tape where I want to cut the belt. The tape is going to hold the belt together since it is a braided belt. Now you can simply measure how wide you want your straps to be, but I'm simply going to cut this belt in half and just use one half for each side of my straps. So I'm going to go ahead and put some tape here, and I'm going to cut the belt in half. Now that you have your strap, you are going to put some hot glue on the ends so your braided belt will not come apart. So simply take the tape off very carefully and put a dab of glue and push the pieces together. The glue is going to hold it so it will not come apart. The last step in creating this purse is to sew your straps on. Now that our purse is fully done, it is time to decorate it. You can stop here if you would like, but I did not want to. So I am taking some tape and I am simply going across the bag and pressing firmly on my tape. And I'm just going to do some basic stripes here, but I wanted to give my purse a little something extra, so I made sure that it was not like completely straight across. And I am going to use a rose gold metallic paint that I got from Hobby Lobby for $1.99, and I'm just using it with a sponge. So I'm simply going to sponge this into the creases of the straw bag. I'm going to do 2 coats and let it dry, and then I'm going to pull the tape off. And that's it. You can do anything to this bag that you want to, or leave it the way it is afterwards. I think it looks great either way. And this is what the bag looks like all done. I absolutely love this straw bag. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and do this project. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And as always, you guys, be unique. See you next week.